Namaste everyone. Hope you're all doing well today. Today we'll be doing some heating pranayamas. It helps to energize your body, so it will be a good midday breathing exercise. So let's jump right into it. Find a comfortable seat. You can sit on a block, the front part of your block. Gently cross your legs. If you can't cross your legs at home, feel free to sit on a chair if you can't cross your legs. Just make sure your back is straight. Legs are comfortable, not dangling. If it's dangling, put a towel or a block beneath your leg, like this. Rest your arms on your legs. This heating pranayama should be done in the morning or in the afternoon, not before you sleep. If you're pregnant or if you're a girl and you're on your menstruation cycle, don't do it. If you've recently had a surgery, this exercise is also not for you. So let's come into your seated posture. Gently relax your shoulders. Straighten your spine. And breathe in through your nose. Deep inhale. Deep exhale through your nose. One more. When you do your long inhale, pull your arms up. And do a short exhale, pull your arm down. Breathe through your diaphragm. We'll be here for a minute. It's a strong exhale through your nose when you pull your arm down. Take a break. Rest your arms on your knees. Return to your natural breath. And let's do another cycle. Long inhale. Exhale through your nose. You can close your eyes gently. Three, two, and last one. Exhale. Rest your arms. If you're feeling lazy at home, this is a good breathing exercise for you to recharge your mind and your body. Let's do the advanced version for the last cycle. If you're a beginner, stick with your arm raising and arm lowering. If you practice pranayama breathings regularly, do yoga, you can try this heating pranayama with me. Place your palms on your knees and deep inhale while you push your abdominal out. And a forceful exhale through your mouth while you push your abdominal in. Again, deep long inhale. Lengthen your inhale, push your abdominal out. And forcefully exhale with your mouth, pull your abdominal in. And let's take a break. Do 3 to 4 cycles and take a short break. And let's just do one more, and then you can do it at your own pace after this. Deep inhale, push your abdominal out. Last one. So I hope you feel slightly more recharged and energized after these short breathing exercises, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.